What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. I'm a moderator, owner, operator, founder, lead trader at Option Goats Trading LLC. That's right, we operate out of the state of Wisconsin. This is your swing recap of the week of December 27th and January 3rd. I was on vacation for about a week, so I came back. I didn't open up any positions last week because it would just be a little bit too confusing if I made this video, so I held off on making positions last week. I'm back from vacation. I'm not going to take a vacation until like Thanksgiving. So if you missed me last week, I'm going to make this video for 2 weeks. But really, in all retrospect, basically what we're doing is we're going to just review the week of the 27th of December and then see how they played out during January 3rd. I learned a lot of things watching my positions that I've got. I'll go over everything I opened up that week and then go over what they're looking like right now. But first, make sure to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Right down here, and then check out our videos that we made in the past as well on our swing recaps. If you have any questions, please feel free to go to the bottom of our website, go to the bottom, go to put your message, put the subject, put your email, put your name, and then we can reach out to you. If you use the code SPRING30, you can get OG Prime membership for $30 a month for 3 months instead of the $60 a month premium that you usually get. Jim, what do I get with that? Well, you get all these cool bot functions and features that come with it. So the social spike, scalping bot, stocks breakout, repeated flow. Jimmy, what is that? Message me. Join Discord. Get in there. Send a message to myself, Jumanji1776, and we can get you started. So here's our website, Option Goats Trading. Make sure you like and subscribe right there. And let's go over some of the plays that we had. Let's go over some of the profits that we had the week of the 27th. So Ghost had a little bit of a red day right there, going bear on the Qs that day. Here's our AMC spread that we got to close out this day for 83% profit. Super happy with that one. I'll go over that play as well. Fuzzy Scalps had a 474 put on SPY. Looks like made a little money there too. Made 77% as well on Qs. AES killing it as usual. On BAC, it looked like. That was last week. ROM, ROM making 28% on, let's see, on Apple. Nice job there. ROM again, hitting again on PFE. Nice job there. Alrighty, so let's go over some of the trades that we opened up on the week of the 27th here. Okay, so we opened up 3 more positions. So let's see here. We're a bit red on some of the positions that we have right now, but let's go over some of them just so that way we have an idea of what's going on, what we're looking for in the days coming. Just because we've got a couple of different kinds of moving parts going on, and that does involve like crypto, the overall market, and Chinese stocks. So it'll be interesting to see what we have in store right here. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, so let's see. This is going to be Billy. All right. Oh, it doesn't want to split my screen. Well, that don't matter. We can just leave it like this. All right, so let's take a look at some of these that we have here. Okay, so Billy, this was a Chinese stock. Let's go over what we did before on this one. So Billy, we sold the call vertical. Let's see. So we sold the call vertical spreads of 46, 47 call spread for February 11th, 2022. We collected $49 premium, and right now it is below the spread. So right now we are up on the play. How much are we up on it? We are we're up 44% on that play. So that one we're going to hold on to because it still has a little bit of premium left to collect. This one I am most likely going to let expire for full profit on this one. But that's just how I think with the Chinese stocks is kind of what we're looking at for. So we're going to be holding that one. Affirm. So let's go back what we did on Affirm. So on Affirm, we sold the put vertical spreads. We were bullish on the stock. We sold this 92 put, bought the 91 put. It was for 121 of 22. We collected $30 max loss, $70. Right now it is to our bad side. So it looked like it bounced off this level and then it just came bleeding through. So something I didn't expect, although we only did one of the spread, right? I looked at it, I said, you know what, $70 is the max I can lose on this play. I like how it bounced on that level. I think we might get a bounce here, especially with the 50 SMA pointing down, looking for some type of bounce. So it is bouncy right now at the 78 and 80 level. So we do have a couple weeks left on this play, so I'm not too worried about it. Next week we'll have to see what happens, but we will be looking for a shot up above that 90 level on Affirm. So okay, so the next one we would be looking at is Baba. So here's another one. We sold the let's see on Baba. That's not the right Baba one. Where's Baba? Here it is. Okay, we sold a call vertical spread bear, selling the 121, buying the 122, call for 121.22. We sold for a premium of 110. Our max loss is $90. We got this for a good amount of premium. So if we do lose on the 90 bucks, you know, boo-hoo, not too worried on that one. But it is a little bit higher where I would want it to be. 121.22. It's $7 away from the spread, but looking at it long-term wise, I think this is a pump that's going to be dying out soon. And I think in time for our expiration that we're going to be collecting the full profit of 110 bucks. So not too worried about this one as well. We do have Mara. So let's take a look at Mara here. See if we can just do this. Let's take a look at Mara. Okay, so we're selling the put vertical spread before bull, selling the 28, buying the 27. We sold for a premium of $60, max loss is 140 bucks. Right now we are looking at Mara looking like this. So it's come down like this, and I'm using this spread right here, and right now it's still coming down. And what I'm basically looking for here is I'm looking for crypto to make some type of bounce back in the coming days. It's kind of the same idea that we have with Riot. This one, although, is going to expire next week, so we're right at the spread. I do think we're going to have a little bit of a bounce where we're going to hit 30.31 because I do think Bitcoin is due for a bounce in the coming weeks. So the market also has been coming down. I'll go over that here in a second as well, but not terribly worried on Mara and Riot. And, you know, we still got a little bit of time on this. I do think we're going to have a little bit of a bounce back to 30.31 as long as Bitcoin bounces back. If it doesn't, this might be a full loss thing, but we're going to be looking forward to seeing what we can do in the coming weeks. So looking at Mara. All right, let's take a look at Roblox. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is what we did with Roblox. So we sold the put vertical spread, sold the 39, bought the 92, or excuse me, sold the 93 put, bought the 92 put. Expiration was 2/4, and the premium that we collect was 37, which was actually a pretty good amount of premium. So, you know, the fact that we're at 85 and our spread is about $7 or $8 away does have me a little worried. We do have more time than the rest of the spreads that we have on certain other stocks. So am I terribly worried about it right now? Not really. We had a really good amount of flow on this day that Roblox is going to keep going up, and also Nancy Pelosi buying Roblox and adding to her list. So I do think it's going to be going up. Right now it's under the 50 SMA. So is it a buy here? Yeah, I would still say so. Are we down on the plate? Yeah, we're down about 40%. So we'll see what happens in the coming days. But that one I'm watching. That one was a pure flow play, so we'll have to see how that one pans out. Riot. So here's the same idea with Mara. We are under the spread, whereas with Mara we're not under the spread. Mara would be, or excuse me, Riot would be sell the put vertical spreads. We sold our put vertical spread. 24, buying the 23 for 218. So again, we have a lot of time on this one. This one's not till like way over here. So again, do I think Bitcoin is going to have a lot more time to bounce back between here and 4 weeks from now? Yeah, I'm not that worried about it. And we collected 55 bucks and our max loss is 45. So we sold a lot of juice on that one, and I was not too worried about this play. So I feel pretty good about Riot. This one we're not going to worry about for the next couple weeks. The one that we are worried about is going to be that Baba play and the Firm play. just because those premiums we didn't collect a lot, and it is on the other side of the spread, so we'll have to see and monitor those positions. So that was Riot. ITCI. So again, this one is we're already in max profit. But we just can't close it because we want to buy it for cheap. It's not going to be until next week. It is coming down towards the 50 SMA. I do think 32.33 is still going to stay as a strong support level for ITCI, so we'll have to monitor as well. As of right now, we're $8 away from the premium, and ITCI was, let's see, right here, selling the put vertical spread and selling 33 put, buying the 32 put for next Friday. We still have a good amount of buffer. We're most likely going to collect the full $31, 100% on that play, so I'm not too worried on that one. Last but not least, Futu. This one, this freaking play. Okay, so this is what we did on Futu. So we already made money on Futu, right? So we sold the call vertical spread, which is right here, these two lines that you see, selling the 43 call, buying the 44 call. Expiration is 121 of 22. Premium collected was 47 times 3, which is 141. Max loss is 159. It's been bouncing on this level 3 times now, and it's come up and made these long wicks. I'm pretty confident that this is going to expire on 121 under that 43 mark, which is right here. Just because with the market in the shape that it is, even though that the market might make a little bit of a bounce back in the next like 5, 10, 15 sessions, I do think Chinese stocks are going to be continuing their downtrend in the coming days. So am I worried on this one? Not at all. So Futu down, I do think. Again, I'm not a licensed or professional financial advisor. If you need financial help, please contact your financial firm, advisor, whatever you want to call it. That's about it. Let's take a look at some other stocks that we've been watching. See, I know this one's Billy. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been coming down. Let's pull up Bitcoin, crypto, Bitcoin futures, continuous. Here we go. Here it is. So here's Bitcoin. It's making its way down right now. I do think if it doesn't bounce here at this $40,000 level and continue up, I do think it might bleed all the way down to 30,000, which our Riot and Mara positions might be in a little bit of trouble in that case. But it did make a long wick yesterday. So I do like those signs that possibly buyers are coming in to buy Bitcoin, and the crypto market's going to come back up. We did buy more SHIB on the other day. That has also been just bleeding down. I've been just putting $100 every Friday. I put $100 early in the year of 2022 just to see or just to buy a little bit more SHIB. It looks like now it's at the 26 mark. If we hit the 23 or 22 mark, that might be lights out, that it might keep going down and lower, but we'll have to see what happens. I'm going to still keep buying. I'm sticking to my word that I'm buying $100 of SHIB every 2 weeks, which is every paycheck. I did get a raise recently, so you know, as long as that happens, I can keep putting more money into SHIB. So we'll have to see what happens. It's going to keep going down. It will bounce at some level. Where that level is, I'm not sure, but we'll have to keep watching to see to find out. So now, as far as the winner of the month of December, we had a lot of activity in the month of December between fuzzy scalps, AES, ROM, everybody making some really good plays. But there was one that I really liked. Actually, a couple. I'm going to call them out here. AES on the MRK, the 80 call that you made on that $21 play, and then also on the KR, the Kroger that you had early in the month of December. Can't talk today. Kroger 46 call for 1223, 335 average. Here is what it looked like. Mark went up 40%. Mark went 65%, 95%, and then you're holding on to MRK. And MRK is showing right here. MRK, you're up 120%. MRK 160, 175. And then AES, which is what you're named after, went up as well. MRK 200, 240. Made money on MRK and KR on Kroger and MRK. So AES, I'm gonna give you the clapping just like Leonardo DiCaprio is on this video here. Congratulations, you won the month of December. I know you're going back to school. Might be a while before you get super active in trading, but we wanted to send you out with a little prize Thank you for being a loyal member of the chat, a loyal and longtime member of the chat. And thank you for all that you contribute into the chat. You win $50, or you can get another OG shirt. I know you have one, so you're most likely going to want the $50. Take it towards books, take it towards whatever you want. Message me, and then we can get that money out to you. But congratulations, AES, on KR and MRK. You are the winner of December. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll do another swing recap next week. We'll go back on the normal schedule where I'll make a video every week instead of 2 weeks. This video was for the week of December 27th and January 3rd. So thank you again. Make sure to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. And then make sure to check out our website right here, optiongoatsllc.com. Stay awesome out there. Manage your risk well. We haven't closed any losses yet. Oh, I wanted to make sure that I went over some of the profits that we had. I think we had the AMC was the only one, I think, out of AMC. Yes. So we had this play. It was about $30 credit. We got back 83% of the play. That was the AMC. So awesome there. Really happy with that play. We got 8 positions right now. So stay tuned for next week to see what happens. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will check you out next week. Have a good one. Bye.